Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is SAR. Televenture Limited is a provider of telecommunication solutions to telecom network operators. The company is engaged in the installation and commissioning of 4G and 5G towers, optical fiber cable, OFC, systems, and dealing in network equipment. The company also provides project management for laying of the duct and optic fiber cables, construction of basic transmission and telecom utilities, dark fiber leasing, optical fiber network construction, maintenance of duct and optic fiber, and optical fiber project turnkey services to various telecom network operators and broadband service operators and ISPs across Maharashtra. IPO opens for subscription on 1st November, offer will close on 3rd November. Allotment will be on the 6th of November, listing will be on the 8th of November. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 110,000 rupees. Price band is 52 rupees to 55 rupees per share. Lot size is of 2000 shares. Total issue size is 24.75 crore rupees. Issue is entirely a fresh issue. Listing will be at NSE SME. Key performance indicator are: debt to equity is 0.65. Earning per share is 91 rupees and 8 paise. Return on net worth is 32.95%. Object of the issue is installation of 5G, 4G towers. Full or part repayment of certain outstanding secured borrowings availed by the company. Funding the working capital requirements of the company. General corporate purposes. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 23 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.